Hello guys, welcome to the demonstration of HomestayDNN and Airbnb clone mobile app. This is our latest version of Android app. It doesn't matter whether you are a guest or a host. All you need to do is start up with either login or sign up option. So I'm just moving with the login option. You have multiple login options. You can log in with your email ID and password, or else you can go with social media login such as Facebook, Google Plus and LinkedIn. Let's see how it works. So we have successfully logged into the app. So this is the front end view of our app. Here you can see a search bar. Below to this you can see the list of cities. These are called featured city. Let's see what happens if you click any one of these cities. I'm going with Hyderabad. So this is how you can see the listings. All these are the vacation rentals which is listed over Hyderabad city. I'm going to select the first one. So this is how a listing will be appear. You can see the entire profile of this particular listing. It starts with the images by host name, the basic amenities, the location with the correct map, descriptions, listings, extra amenities which they have provide, and the host profile also. So like this, each listing will display it. So let's move back. So here I am going to show how to book a property. So let's start with the search bar. Here you can see the smart search options. You can either enter a city name, state name or even a country name. So I have selected the city as Los Angeles. So in Los Angeles I have two listings, Pool House and Hillview Palace. So I'm going to select Hillview Palace. It is the entire profile of this particular listing. If you want to book this property, just click the request to book button. So here we need to enter the date. So here you can see the calendar settings. It is automatic synchronized calendar settings. So all these dates are booked, which is hidden. So we can book using the active dates. Here we can add number of guests. You can add or remove any number of guests, and below to that you can see the pricing, the total pricing. So if you want to confirm your booking, please go with send to host. You need to enter a message to the host. So here you can see my booking, and right now the status is pending. Once the host is approved our booking, it will change. So let's wait the host to approve the booking. So this is how to book a property. Let's see whether the host approved our booking or not. So just go to the inbox. So here you'll get the message, proceed the pay. So the host has confirmed the booking. So this is how the message box work. So let's move to the your trips tab. So here you can see the status is changed, the host is approved, he's accepted our booking. So we need to go for the payment. So in 3 ways you can pay: by using credit card, Stripe and PayPal. So we can go with Stripe. I'm entering in test ID. So when you click pay now, you'll get the enter your invoice. So the status is changed, the payment status is changed to booked. So this is how to book a property. So let's see the dashboard features. It is the user profile. Here you can see the username, email, whether you are a verified user or not, listings, reviews, disputes. So here you can see a short bio of your profile. And the next one is home. It is nothing but it will take you to the home page. Third one is inbox. So here you can see the notification and alerts regarding your booking. It acts as a communication channel between the host and guest. So they used to communicate through using this internal messaging system. So this is how the host and guest communicate. So it is one of the most important feature. And next one is your listings. In this we have two sections: manage listings and your reservations. It is nothing but if you list a particular vacation rental, it will show out here. So it will show in the manage listing, and in your reservation it shows if any reservations has done to that listing, it will show it in this tab. So that's all about your listing. And next one is your trips. This also contains two tabs: future trip and past trip. In future trip it shows your future or advanced booking, and in past trip it shows your previous booking. Next one is account. Here there are some multiple tabs. The first one is notifications. So here you can edit some settings of your app. Next one is payout reference. It is nothing but the guest can enter the bank details so that the transactions happen directly to the bank. Transaction histories. Right now I don't have any transactions, so it will not shows anything. In transaction history you can see the entire transaction, even which is your listing or even your reservations, both the thing it will show out here. Next one is privacy. You can set your own privacy concerns. Next one is security. Here you can change the passwords. And last one is settings. It's nothing but you can set your country as a default one, so it is easy to locate nearby vacation rentals. And let's move on to the currency. Here you can see the multiple currency options. So it is nothing but it shows our app support multiple currency options. Moreover that our app support IP based currency feature. So you can select any of the currency and you can set it as a default one. And the next one is a wish list. It is nothing but the same thing. If you love any of the listings, you can add it as a wish list, so it will be listed out over here. So in next time it is easy to book that same property in easy manner. And that's all about the dashboard features. So I hope you may understand how to book a property. It's a simple way. Now let's see how to list a property by using this app. For that, you need to log in. So we have logged in successfully. Then go to the menu section. So here you can find the tab called Rent Your Space. For listing a property, you need to start from here. I just click there. So here you go with this. Property type, room type, accommodate, city. These are the 4 major criteria. So I'm going to fill it up. First one is property type. So here you can see various kind of property types: house, apartment, bed and breakfast, like that. So I am selecting with house. And the next one is types of room: shared room, common room, private room, and the number of accommodates. So you can limit the number of accommodates through this. I am just limiting with 4. And next one is the location. So the initial step is I have done with this. And next one, we are moving with the pricing. There are 2 kind of pricing strategy. The first one is always, which means nothing but fixed price, and second one is sometimes. It is nothing but a seasonal price. So in either 2 of those you can choose. So I just go with always. And the next one is pricing. So you can select the currency options from this, and you can set the price. And the next one is a small overview with a title and a summary to your listing. Next one is a brief description. So okay, I have done with this. And this phase is most important one. We can add as many as photos regarding our listing. So in 2 ways we can add photos. The first one is you can directly take a photo through using your mobile camera, and next one is choosing it from the gallery. So I move with gallery. So I'm going to select the photos. So the photos as well. And right secondly, I'm going to select this. So this is how adding a photo. Like this you can add as many as photos. So the photo is uploaded. And the next one is adding amenities. Like this you can add amenities. So right now we are again just confirming the category listing. And finally we are going to add the address. Okay, we have done with this. And the next one is purchasing cancellation policy. And if you have any security deposit, you can mention it over here. And this part is for SEO. So you can, if you wish, you can give the title and description. Okay, this is my SEO part. Now let's check whether our property has been listed or not. I'm typing the city name and I'm going with the search. Yes, it is there. So here is the one which I listed. You can see the basic categories, map, description, and the amenities which I have given. So this is how to list a property by using this app. And if you go to your listing session, you can find the listings. So this is how to list a property. Thank you.